you doing? Hmm? Not much. You're just lounging around in the sun. Hey? You're just having a lounge around. It's nice and warm there, isn't it? You've got no air coming in from outside, and you've got all the heat of the sun coming in the window. You just turned into a loaf. An absolute loaf. What? Yep. You're gonna... Hey! I was making you look presentable. It feels like you just came out of bed. Oh. What is it, Pebbles? Is that a dude? Is that dude the chihuahua? Your little toy? Oh, he's not necessarily a toy. But you treat him like one most of the time, don't you? What you doing, dude? What's all you doing? What's all you doing? Oh, be careful, Pebbles has got her eye on you. Yes. She's got her eye on you. So I hear him. You just chase him around, don't you? Oh, you're playing a dangerous game there, dude. She will have you. She will. Aren't you? This is gonna hurt. You still look like a loaf of cat, though. Yeah, leave you to it. I've got to peg my washing out.